Welcome back in. So great to see you after we had a very nice start to the day today. The clouds that have eventually won out through the course of the afternoon are going to be a sign of a cloudy day ahead for Wednesday. Here's what's beyond that. Wednesday nights when we get our next round of soaking rain back into the area. Now, rainfall easily going to be over a half an inch of rain. Some areas could get close to 1 inch. And then following that, we may be near 50 or warmer as we get into Thursday. So we'll take you through this in a few steps. Let's talk rainfall first because it's going to come into the area soaking rain Wednesday night to Thursday morning. Here's the indications. Some areas could be pushing half an inch to an inch of total rainfall. That most of that will be coming through Wednesday night into early Thursday morning while you are sleeping. Certainly it's going to be on par with what we've seen so far this winter season. Little snowfall, more in the form of rainfall. Our Yark Chevy of Perrysburg camera down toward Levis Commons does show, even with the cloud cover at 5:43, we've got a little hint of daylight that is still hanging on across the area. And this is a sign that we see really as we get through mid to late January and into the rest of our winter season. Let's send it over to meteorologist Matt Willoughby. Matt, we're talking sunset time. For the first time now, it's hit 5:30 or later, and this is a trend that many of us really begin to notice.
Yeah, exactly. We're finally starting to see those at least lighter days outside and these later days as well. So yeah, we just saw that sunset just around 5:30 today, and we'll continue to see that later as we go throughout the next couple of days and even the week. So we just saw just around 9 hours and 30 minutes of sunlight today. We pretty much gained around 26 minutes since December 21st, and that was, in fact, the winter solstice. As you take you throughout the next couple of months, well, we'll gain just around at least an hour of daylight as we head into February with a sunset time of 6:09. As we head into March 17th, just into 2 months, we'll be at a sunset time of 7:42. And overall, we're going to gain just about 2 hours of 26 minutes of daylight as we head throughout the next 2 months. And just before March 17th, we will see that time change, which is just about 59 days away. So, of course, we didn't see that sunset today, of course, with those clouds, which kind of made it a little bit at least colder out there, Chris, for today without those clouds and at least less sunshine for today.
But you felt it this morning, Matt. Wasn't it just spectacular?
Oh, yeah, it was beautiful. I had to get out for a little bit and just enjoy it just for a little bit when we saw that sun for just a couple of hours. So hopefully we can see more of that as we go into tomorrow. Right?
It was at least a preview or a glimmer of what we could see into the upcoming spring months. Certainly felt like it here in mid-January. Matt Willoughby, I appreciate that update. And again, 59 days away till we reach that time change. Current temperatures now, Matt's right, they've turned considerably cooler. We've slumped back closer to the lower 40s. And I expect we're to be steady tonight, mid to upper 30s as we go into our overnight lows. Let's talk rainfall when it arrives. And I'm going to start the clock tomorrow evening. Here we are at 7 o'clock. You're going to be dry all day tomorrow. It will be well after sundown that we get that chance of rain into the area. It could even be closer to about 9 o'clock. Showers will roll into the area, and once they begin, they're going to be steady and soaking overnight Wednesday and into Thursday morning. Some of that heaviest of the rainfall could be just after midnight into Thursday morning. Showers are going to taper off fairly quickly before daybreak Thursday, so much of that rain occurs while you sleep Wednesday night. I do expect we're going to see a pocket of some sunshine, much like we did today, that may send parts of our area jumping into the 50s. Now, with that, the return chance Thursday afternoon of a couple rain showers, and our hour-by-hour forecast even picking up on the distinct possibility we could get a few rumbles of thunder Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening before more colder weather does return into Friday with a few snow flurries. Let's time out those hour-by-hour temperatures because they're going to see some ups and downs after staying fairly steady into tomorrow in the lower 40s. Let's preview when we could see that warmer weather, and it will be Thursday afternoon. We're checking on some areas that will reach into the 50s, better chance of reaching through the mid to upper 50s. Maybe east of I-75 for, again, that warmer spring feel into Thursday afternoon. Lower 40s, we're going to be steady much of the day with late chances of rain. That's going to be well after dark. Showers going to be likely, especially early Thursday. They'll taper off and some sun will return. 50s will be anticipated for highs. And then we drop back into the 30s with a few flurries Friday, and the weekend looking mainly dry Saturday. Rain, snow mix possible on Sunday. And if it does work out right, we may see some minor snow accumulations Sunday night into Monday, and highs in the 30s will extend through at least the middle to end of next week.